Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, FX4 off-road package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got a dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a Pro access tailgate as well, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. Pro power onboard that you can turn on and off. It's just a generator. You do get some bed lights as well, which is pretty nice. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. And closing this, it is powered, so it will go down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of gear with your hands and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We do get a nice black platformed gripped running board with a side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior. You do get some floor mats as well, rear vents, 12-volt USB-Cs, 120-volt with cup holders. Get more cup holders right there as well as arm space. And you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty nice for the extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating up to 3 drivers, B&O sound system, lights, parking brake, spotlights, pedal adjusters, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 83 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have your gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible with storage, cup holders, more storage under here with some outlets, and it does close. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with your engine start-stop, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 120-volt outlet. You can just click open there, or click it on, sorry. There's that outlet. Storage above and below. Storage right here with a nice powered rear window opener. We also have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Nice garage door transmitter. You do get a 360 view of your vehicle as well, hazards and traction. We do get Ford's Blue Cruise as well, which is Ford's highway self-driving. You have your parking assist, so just your park sensings and your hail. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA78657, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.